Welcome to our channel. Today we how to download Shopify admin for efficient order processing, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Shopify website. Log into your Shopify account using your credentials. Once logged in, go to the Shopify App Store. In the search bar, type Shopify admin to find the official application. Click on the correct app listing to access the details. On the app page, locate the download button. Click the download button to initiate the download process. Follow the prompts to complete the installation on your device. Once the installation is finished, locate the Shopify admin app on your device. Open the app and log in using your Shopify account credentials. After logging in, your dashboard will appear with various order processing features. Familiarize yourself with the layout and tools available within the app. To view your orders, navigate to the Orders section from the main menu. Here, you can manage and process orders efficiently. To process an order, click on the specific order you wish to handle. Review the order details carefully before taking action. You can mark the order as fulfilled once you have processed it. For tracking shipments, add tracking information in the designated section. The app will give you notifications related to order updates and status changes. Keep the app updated to ensure optimal performance and access to new features. Using the Shopify admin app will significantly enhance your order management efficiency. By following these steps, you will have the Shopify admin app installed and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.